I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have read and write permissions. Without them, you can't save changes. Once confirmed, open the shared folder via its network path or cloud link so you're looking at the correct location. Make sure file names follow the team's rules and size limits to avoid sync errors. Now that the folder is open and permissions are set, you're ready to move the first file in. This prevents wasted effort later. You now add files, drag and drop for local shared drives, or use the upload button when working in cloud storage. While adding, place items into the correct subfolder so collaborators find them. This saves time and prevents duplicates. As you transfer, watch the upload or copy progress and confirm the sync status icon shows completion. Once the transfer finishes, refresh the folder view and make sure versions and timestamps match what you expect before moving on. Finish by verifying permissions and sharing links so people can access those files. Adjust access levels if someone needs edit rights. Once done, notify collaborators with context and version notes so they know what changed. If something goes wrong, check basic troubleshooting items, your network connection, available disk or cloud quota, and illegal file names that block syncing. Make sure to retest access from another account or device so you confirm the files are usable for the whole team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.